Hello and welcome back to the new video. Today we will talk about WCAG's fourth key principle: robust. The fourth principle of the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, is robust. This principle focuses on ensuring that content is robust enough to be reliably interpreted by a wide variety of user agents, including assistive technologies such as screen readers, voice recognition software, and braille displays. Here's a deeper look into the robust principle. 1. Compatible with assistive technologies. Guideline 4.1. Content should be designed and coded in a way that is compatible with assistive technologies commonly used by people with disabilities. This includes ensuring proper semantic markup, using standard HTML elements, and providing alternative text for non-text content to facilitate interpretation by assistive technologies. 2. Parsing. Guideline 4.2. Ensure that content can be parsed reliably by user agents, including web browsers and assistive technologies. This involves using valid HTML markup, avoiding deprecated features, and adhering to coding best practices to ensure consistent rendering across different platforms and devices. 3. Name, role, value. Guideline 4.3. Ensure that user interface components, such as form controls and interactive elements, have accessible names, roles, and values. This information is essential for assistive technologies to accurately convey the purpose and function of each component to users with disabilities. 4. Status messages. Guideline 4.4. Ensure that status messages, such as error notifications or confirmation messages, are programmatically determinable by assistive technologies. This ensures that users with disabilities receive timely and accurate feedback when interacting with web content or completing tasks. 5. Reflow. Guideline 4.5. Ensure that content can adapt and reflow to accommodate different viewports and screen sizes, including those used by users with disabilities or older devices. This flexibility improves accessibility and usability for users accessing content on various devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and desktop computers. 6. Non-interference. Guideline 4.6. Ensure that content does not interfere with assistive technologies or user agents, preventing users with disabilities from accessing or interacting with digital content effectively. This includes avoiding content that automatically refreshes, redirects, or interrupts the user's focus without warning. 7. Accessibility API. Guideline 4.7. Ensure that content exposes accessible information and functionality through standard accessibility APIs, application programming interfaces. This allows assistive technologies to programmatically access and interact with web content, providing users with disabilities with an equivalent experience to that of non-disabled users. By prioritizing robustness, web developers can create content that is accessible, reliable, and interoperable across different platforms, devices, and assistive technologies. This principle is essential for ensuring that digital content remains accessible and usable as technology evolves. Empowering users with disabilities to fully participate in online activities and communication. Now let's talk about benefits of robust.
Ensuring robustness in web content, as outlined in the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, offers several benefits for both users and content creators. Here are some key advantages. 1. Enhanced accessibility. Robust content ensures compatibility with a wide range of user agents, including assistive technologies such as screen readers, braille displays, and voice recognition software. This ensures that users with disabilities can access and interact with digital content effectively, promoting inclusivity and accessibility. 2. Improved user experience. Content that is robust and compatible with various user agents tends to provide a more consistent and reliable user experience across different platforms, devices, and browsers. Users can access content seamlessly, regardless of their chosen technology or assistive device, leading to increased satisfaction and engagement. 3. Future-proofing. Prioritizing robustness helps ensure that digital content remains accessible and usable as technology evolves. By adhering to coding best practices and standards, content creators can mitigate compatibility issues and ensure that their content remains accessible across future generations of user agents and assistive technologies. 4. Compliance with standards. Robust content aligns with accessibility standards such as WCAG, which emphasize the importance of ensuring that content is reliably interpretable by a wide range of user agents. Meeting these standards not only promotes accessibility but also demonstrates a commitment to ethical digital practices and compliance with legal requirements. 5. Reduced development costs. By designing content to be robust and compatible with assistive technologies, content creators can minimize the need for retrofitting or remediation efforts later in the development process. This can lead to cost savings and efficiencies, as accessibility considerations are integrated into the design and development process from the outset. 6. Expanded audience reach. Robust content can reach a broader audience, including users with disabilities, older devices, or non-standard user agents. By ensuring compatibility with a diverse range of technologies and assistive devices, content creators can maximize the reach and impact of their digital content, tapping into new markets and audiences. 7. Improved usability. Robust content tends to be more usable and reliable for all users, not just those with disabilities. By adhering to coding best practices and standards, content creators can create a more stable and consistent user experience, reducing the likelihood of errors, glitches, or compatibility issues that could impede usability. Overall, prioritizing robustness in web content brings benefits by promoting accessibility, usability, and compliance with standards, while also future-proofing content and expanding its reach to a wider audience. Hope you learned something new today. See you in the next video. Take care.